Hi friends, welcome to Tutors Funny channel. Today I am going to teach simple CRUD system using Android Kotlin using the prepare statement. How to use the prepare statement to add record and view the record. Right? I will teach you. Right? Now here I am going to show the demo first. Here I am going to enter the name. Right? Here I am going to enter the name here as Raja. Also I am going to enter as C#. Fee I am going to enter here as 12,000. Click OK button. Record added. Now I am going to add another record as Kumar. Course PHP. Fee 12,000. Right. Click OK. Record added. Right. Now if you want to view the record, click View button. Here you will be able to see the record. Okay, this is the record you can enter here. Right. How to do the system step by step using prepare statement. That's the efficient way to do the CRUD using prepare statement, right? So let's see, right? Now let's go to the file, new project. Here, if it is not checked, include Kotlin support, you have to click Kotlin, right? Then only you will be able to access the Kotlin program in Android Studio. Okay, please make sure if it is checked or not, right? This is very important stuff. In the new version, there will be the combo box drop down list. You will be able to select Java or Kotlin there, right? In the new version, like this, right here. Okay, you will be able to see in the new version, right? Now here you will check this one, include Kotlin support. Click next. Items and list. Okay, it's no problem. Next, click empty activity. Next, finish. Now your project is built successfully. Here this one should be the Kotlin, right? So here, this one should be the app folder. Inside the app folder, we have made two folders, Java folder and RS folder. Inside the RS folder, first we have to design the layout first, right? That's very important stuff. Here, activity main.xml. This is the where you will design the app. This one should be the code, right? So first we have to double click and open it, right? Here, this one. Okay. Now here, this one should be the layout, default one. If you go to the design, you can check here. This is a default one, right? Here. Okay. Now here there will be the three views available, blueprint and design this one. Okay. Now here I am going to design this, right? Go to the text. Here, constraint layout, I am going to change the layout type as linear layout first, right? This is a linear layout. Here, after that, orientation, I am going to change it as vertical, and another thing we have to do here is it's a vertical, and gravity I am going to set as center, right? This is the important stuff I am going to do. After that, this one we have to remove it, select and backspace to remove it. Inside here, first I am going to create another linear layout, right? Here rep content, very simple. Now we have to arrange them, right? Rep content. Here I am going to write here as orientation vertical, here also vertical, and gravity center. You have to select like this. Right. After that, what I am going to do is here, I am going to design the text view. Wrap content. Very simple. Right. Now here, what I am going to do is here, we have to write here is simply. Right. Here we have to write the text, right? Heading of the app, right? Heading is I am going to write here is course registration, the course, course registration, or right, course registration, yes, using Kotlin, right, okay, perfect, right, I just put that in. Now I am going to style the one, so I am going to write text color, you have to select the Asian, right, style, right. After that, we have to write as a text size. If you have to increase the size, if you wish to increase the size, you have to type text size. You have to write here is 30 dB. Right, perfect. Right. Now let's see the design here. The design, right? Very simple design. After that, what I am going to do is here, right? If you want to make sure it is simple, 25. Let's make it 25. Right. Simple. Right here it's perfect. It's fit on the screen perfectly. Now let's back to our code, right? Now this is the linear layout part, right? This is on heading. Okay, we design that heading, right? Now what I am going to do is the same linear layout and just get the copy, Control C to copy this one, Control V to paste below. Here what all changes I am going to make is here I am going to do the design text view. Here we have to change this one as name. Right, here we have to we don't need to change anything else, we have to remove them. After that we have to write a edit text, wrap content. Here we have to write the edit text, right? Edit text we have to write here is ID, the first one, right? ID. Okay, ID is we have to identify the specific text box, right? That is the use of IDs. We can identify the specific text edit text, right? When you code, right? So here ID I am going to create as name, otherwise you can write txt name, right? It's very efficient, right? Okay. Now after that we have to write here is a EMS. We have to write EMS. We have to give the size of the size, okay, 10. Right. Now we can check the preview. Here is a preview. It look like this. Okay. Now it's working successfully here. Right. Sorry. Here we have to vertical. I am going to change this as a horizontal. Then it will be fit. Here it's fitting. Right. Okay. Fit on the screen. Right. Horizontal. Right. Perfect. Right. Now first one I am going to design successfully. Now the same linear layout, Control C to copy, Control V to paste below. Here what I am going to do is here second time, this one should be the course. Here also change txt course, right, txt course, others are same. You can see that if you do any design, you can see the preview. What is the preview here, right? It is very easy stuff to do it, right? So after that what I am going to do is the same thing, you have to get the copy again. Control C to copy, Control V to paste here. This one should be fee. Here also txt fee. You have to change this type as txt fee. Right. After the same linear layout, Control C to copy, Control V to paste below. Here we have to do the another stuff is a button. We have to change the button type, right? So we have to write here is a button. Button, right? Here button. Okay, we have to change the thing as here is a button. We have to change. Here we have wrap content. Here we have to give the ID here also btn1 ID, right? btn1 ID. Here we need to change the text also. Well, text here right here we have to write here save. We have to write save the date. All right. So here background color also we have to write the background color. You have to write here is a primer. You have to write primer. Here you can see here, primer. Okay, perfect. Now what I am going to do is here same button, Control C to copy, Control V to paste below. This button I am going to change the thing as btn2. This one should be view. Here we have to change the background color here. You have to change background color simply. Type background Asian. Right. You can check the design like this. Okay, simple design. Now you can see here. Very simple design, right? You can check here. Right. I have installed the virtual app Genymotion. You can find it in Google and you can install it, right? Very simple one here. Okay, this is a virtual app. I just show the demo, right? So let's back to our design, right? It's a very simple design I am showing, right? Now let's code the one, right? So what I'm going to do is here I designed the perfectly well. Now let's go to the Java here main activity, right? It is already there. Double click here. This is a simple code I'm going to write here. Is very simple one. First what I'm going to do is inside here. We have to this text box name. We have to identify txt name, txt course, txt fee, right? Now here we have to get them simply. We have to write the variable val. Here we have to write s name. It's a student name. It's identify the name, right? S name. Here find view by ID. Find view by ID. We have to no need it. We have to write here is r.id dot. You have to identify the text box. First one should be the txt name, right? As edit text. This how you have to write in Kotlin, right? Very simple. Okay. The same thing, Control C to copy, Control C to Control C to copy here, Control V to paste here. This one should be the SV. I just write as SV. Okay, you can give the any name of the variable, right? It's not right. It doesn't matter, right? I just give like this, right? Student name shouldn't be like this, right? Here fee, sorry, not a fee. This one should course, right? Course. Second one should be the course. Course, right? Here second here as TXT course. Right, course, right. Third one should be same thing, Control C to copy, Control V to paste here. This one should be SV. Here also TXT fee. Right. Simple, right? Now what I am going to say, I am going to write the button. So val b1 equal find view by ID r dot id dot btn1 as button. The same thing, Control C to copy, Control V to paste here. This one should be b2, this one b2, right? Okay, perfect, right? After that, what I am going to do is we have to write b1 dot set on click listener. You have to write open and close curly bracket, right? Now here first what I am going to do is here. If you are enter the all that fill the text, click save button. This is the what you have done is we have to save the record into the database. So here you have to write the set on click listener. This is the listener which call, right? If you click the button, which action method called set on click action method will call, right? Okay. Now what I am going to see, I am going to use the SQLite database to insert the record into the database. That is the stuff I am going to do, right? So first what I am going to do is here, first we have to write the try. This is the efficient way to write the code, right? Try. If you write the try, you have to handle a catch, right? If you catch, right? Catch means it is, if you write exception, right? It's handled. What is the error? It's come, right? Okay, perfect, right? Inside here you have to write the scope, right? Try catch, right? You have to write like this, very simple. So you have to write here, well, we have to again we have to write the variable, create the variable here. We have to get it here, sname dot get text, right? Dot toString. Sorry. Right. Okay, we have to write like this. Okay. What is the name you are typing? It is assigned to this variable. This variable you have to get it and store in this variable, right? So same thing, Control C to copy, Control V to paste here. This one should be course fee. This one should be fee, right? This is course, Control C to copy, Control V to paste here. This fee, Control C to copy, Control V to paste here. Right? That's the stuff you have to do. Right. Now what I am going to do is here, I am going to create the database. Create the database. Comment it. Right. Create the database, right? You have to use a comment like this, right? Now here first you have to create the database variable db equal open or database create, this one, right? Now here we have to write create the database. We have to create the what is the database I am going to create is create the database as SLIT, SLIT DB. This is the database I am going to create. I just create the SLIT DB, right? After that we have to write the here comma content C content context dot mode private command null. Now what I am going to do is here we have to write db dot execute SQL. Here we have to write create. You have to create the database. Create table if not exist. Here I write the table name. Here I am going to create a table name as records, right? This is the database name, this one, table name is this, right? If the table is not exist, we have to create the table, right? That's the thing, right? Here right here, right? Now here we have to give the table name properly here, right? Table, right, this is a table. Now here we have to write the column name properly. You have to specify the column name, just id as an integer type. We have to write properly, okay, integer, right? Integer, right? You have to write properly here, right? Primary key. You have to set the primary key here. Primary key. You have to set the primary key. It's okay. After that, auto increment, that is must. Auto increment. Auto increment, right? Auto increment, right? Comma. Here we have to write the name. After that, you have to write name. That should be varchar. Name should be varchar. Comma. The same thing you have to Control C to copy, Control V to paste here. This one should be course. Sorry, you have to write a varchar comma course. Right. Final one should be here. The same thing, Control C to copy, comma. Right. Control V to paste here. This one should be fee. Right. That's the thing. Varchar. Right. Varchar. Okay. That's the thing we have to do. Okay. Now here, that's the thing we have to do. Right. This is the table record. Right. Name, course, these are the fields. This is the name of the table. These are the fields. ID should be auto increment. You have to make sure the spelling and everything integer, right? Everything. Otherwise it won't work, right? Auto increment, right? Name, varchar, course varchar, fee varchar. This you have to make sure. Then only table should be created, right? Now what I am going to do is here. After that, simple. After that we have to write the query. So we have to write val SQL equal. We have to write the insert into right records. Now we have to write the prepare statement, right? Records, right? What's the table name? Records, right? Make sure that. Now we have to write the table column name properly here, right? ID should be auto incremented. We no need it. After that we have to write rest of the columns we have to add name, comma course, comma fee. Right. After that we have to write values. It's must. You have to make sure the prepare statement, right? You have to write the 3 prepare statement here, right? That's the thing we have to write, prepare statement, right? Okay, simple. After that, what I am going to say, we have to write val statement equal db dot compile statement. Here we have to write SQL, right? Statement, SQL, right? Okay, this is the thing we have to write. After that, you have to write the bind the values, right? These are the called as prepare statement, right? This is the efficient way to insert the record into the database using prepare statement, right? Now here we have to write the statement. This one statement. Control C to copy, Control V to paste here. Dot bind string. Here we have to write first one name. This name. Okay, this name you have to get it here. The same like Java, okay? No, don't worry about that. Same thing, Control C to copy, Control V to paste here. Second one should be name course, Control C to copy, Control V to paste here. Third one should be fee, Control C to copy, Control V to paste here. Right. This is the thing we have to do. After that we have to write statement dot execute. Right, that's it. Now we have to show the message in toast, right? Whether record is added or not into the database. So we have to make sure toast using the toast, right? Here we have the this keyword, comma. Here we have to give the success message record added, right? Comma toast dot length long dot show. So write show That's it. That's the thing we have to write. After record is added, we have to clear the text box fields, right? So we have to clear these fields, right? So these are the names you have to clear, right? So we have to write s name dot setx, sorry, not setx, clear, right, like this. The same thing, control C to copy, control V to paste here. Second one should be course, control C to copy, control V to paste here. Third one should be fee, control C to copy, control V to paste here. After clear, cursor should be focused on the s name, this text box. Okay, what's the name? txt name text box, right? So the same thing, control C to copy, control V to paste here. You have to, this one focus on the txt name text box, so we have to call the method request focus. That's it. That's the thing we have to write. Okay. Now what I am going to do is the same thing. Control C to copy, control V to paste here. Here we have write record failed. Okay. If it is not, record failed. Right. If the record is not error, here it's is there any error? It is passing to the catch. Right. If it is a success message, it is passing to the try will executor. There will be the fail, any failure, catch executed, record fail, right? That's the thing we have to do, right? When you click the button, this save button, right? Okay. Now let's check. Click. Okay. The Gradle will be running. Okay, you have to wait until the Gradle finish, right? It is running, right? Now it asks to connect the device. Click on this one, click OK, right? I have used the Genymotion, right? So here it will be right. Now it's working here. Now I am going to enter the name, right? I am going to enter the name as John. Course I am going to enter as Java. Fee I am going to enter as 10,000. Click, hit save button, record it, right? It's working perfectly well, right? Now we want to see the records, so we have to do the things is we have to view the records, right? View part I am going to teach in my next tutorial. Thank you for watching. If you like my channel, please subscribe me, like me. Thank you for watching.